Greetings, fellow space engineers. I just wanted to post a quick video showing some oddity I noticed with the vent with an airlock design. So I've got the ladder shaft here. I've got the offset door there and in the half blocks in the floor. There's one right in there. And I've got a sensor right here. And the sensor is configured to open, well, not to open, sorry, to close the doors depending on whether you're entering or exiting the field. So if you enter the field, it closes this door. When you exit the field, it closes that door. So I jump up here, I jump off the ladder, I'm out of the field, it closes the door. I open this one, go in, and it's yellow. So I've noticed that if I'm inside this room and I open and close this, I originally was thinking it was a sensor, but if I open and close this from inside here, it still stays yellow. But if I open and close it from out here, it goes green. Now it gets weirder because it's not a leak, because if I do this, and I've got the leak detector mod installed, you can see no leaks. So it sees it as an open door even though that's closed. And it will keep seeing it if I open and close that from within there. Oh, I was too close to the door. If I open and close from within here, it always goes yellow. But if I'm overlapping this door at all, and I do this, or if I'm inside the room, it goes green. So same thing if I'm inside here, inside the room here, it always goes green. But if I'm in here, and either the sensor or I close that door, it sees it as the door is still open. So this is very repeatable if you follow that pattern. If you're inside the room with this closed, and that door is opened and closed, it's always shown as open from within there. But if from inside here you open and close the door, it always sees it as closed and refills the room. So basically airlock can't work because the only way to have the vent trigger to refill the room is to open and close this with this open, evacuating the room. So it doesn't even function as an airlock. I might as well have just the door at the bottom and that's it. So I just thought that was a real odd one. Don't understand why that would happen. Because I know if you have like a much larger airlock with the vent inside the room, that's not a problem. I'm trying to make something very compact though, and this should work, but obviously it does not. So anyways, just wanted to create this for because it's going to be very difficult to describe this in text, so I figured a video would be much better. So happy engineering.